Did you know that two common plants can help you fight off some of the most dangerous diseases in the world? I'm talking about ginger and moringa, two superfoods that have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine ginger and moringa to boost your immune system, reduce inflammation, prevent cancer, and more. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Living Good, where I share with you the best tips and tricks to live a healthy and happy life. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Today we're going to talk about ginger and moringa, two amazing plants that can help you fight deadly diseases. But before we get into that, let me ask you a question. Have you ever tried ginger or moringa before? If yes, let me know in the comments below how you use them and what benefits you've noticed. If no, don't worry, because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about these powerful plants and how to use them together for maximum results. Ginger and moringa are both native to Asia and Africa, but they have become popular all over the world for their health benefits. Ginger is a spice that comes from the root of a flowering plant, while moringa is a tree that produces edible leaves, pods, seeds, and oil. Both ginger and moringa have been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, and modern research has confirmed their effectiveness in treating various conditions. Here are some of the benefits of ginger and moringa and how they work together to fight deadly disease. Immune system. Ginger and moringa are both rich in antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic diseases and aging. Antioxidants help to neutralize free radicals and boost your immune system, making you more resistant to infections and diseases. Ginger and moringa also have antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, which can help prevent and treat infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Ginger and moringa can also stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are the cells that fight off invaders in your body. By combining ginger and moringa, you can enhance your immune system and protect yourself from common colds, flu, and other illnesses. Inflammation. Ginger and moringa are both anti-inflammatory, which means they can reduce swelling, pain, and redness in your body. Inflammation is a natural response of your body to injury or infection, but sometimes it can become chronic and cause problems. Chronic inflammation can contribute to many diseases, such as arthritis, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Ginger and moringa can help to lower the levels of inflammatory markers in your blood, such as cytokines and prostaglandins. They can also inhibit the activity of enzymes that trigger inflammation, such as COX-2 and NF-κB. By combining ginger and moringa, you can reduce inflammation and relieve symptoms of inflammatory conditions, such as joint pain, stiffness, and swelling. Cancer. Ginger and moringa are both anti-cancer, which means they can prevent or slow down the growth of cancer cells. Cancer is a disease that occurs when abnormal cells divide uncontrollably and invade other tissues. Cancer can be caused by various factors, such as genetic mutations, environmental toxins, and viral infections. Ginger and moringa can help to fight cancer by inducing apoptosis, which is the programmed death of cancer cells. They can also prevent angiogenesis, which is the formation of new blood vessels that feed cancer cells. They can also modulate the expression of genes that regulate cell cycle, DNA repair, and immune response. By combining ginger and moringa, you can inhibit the development and progression of cancer and increase the effectiveness of conventional treatments, such as chemotherapy and radiation. Digestion. Ginger and moringa are both good for your digestion, which is the process of breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Digestion can be affected by various factors, such as stress, diet, and medication. Digestive problems can cause symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, bloating, and gas. Ginger and moringa can help to improve your digestion by stimulating the secretion of digestive enzymes and bile, which are substances that help to digest food. They can also relax the muscles of the digestive tract, which can ease cramps and spasms. They can also soothe the lining of the stomach and intestines, which can prevent ulcers and inflammation. By combining ginger and moringa, you can enhance your digestion and prevent or treat digestive disorders, such as indigestion, irritable bowel syndrome, and gastritis. Blood sugar. Ginger and moringa are both beneficial for your blood sugar, which is the amount of glucose in your blood. Glucose is the main source of energy for your cells, but too much or too little can cause problems. High blood sugar, or hyperglycemia, can lead to diabetes, which is a condition that affects how your body uses glucose. Low blood sugar, or hypoglycemia, can cause symptoms such as dizziness, weakness, and confusion. Ginger and moringa can help to regulate your blood sugar by increasing the sensitivity of your cells to insulin, which is the hormone that helps to move glucose from your blood into your cells. They can also reduce the absorption of glucose from your food, which can prevent spikes and crashes in your blood sugar. By combining ginger and moringa, you can maintain a healthy blood sugar level and prevent or manage diabetes and its complications, such as nerve damage, kidney damage, and eye damage. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and useful about ginger and moringa and how to combine them to fight deadly diseases. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'd love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below and let me know what you think of ginger and moringa and how you use them. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let me know as well. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay healthy and happy.